What if one of the most iconic dual sport bikes ever made came back in 2026? Stronger, smarter, and ready to dominate both city streets and dirt trails. The new 2026 Suzuki TS 185 is here, and it's bringing classic vibes with modern performance. A classic name, reimagined. The TS 185 name carries serious history. Riders have always loved it for being lightweight, reliable, and built for adventure. Now in 2026, Suzuki has refreshed this legend with a bold new design while keeping that raw, fun-to-ride spirit alive. It still looks tough and simple, but now with sharper body panels, updated graphics, and a more aggressive stance. Engine and performance. The 2026 TS 185 comes with an upgraded 185 cubic centimeters engine, tuned for better fuel efficiency and smoother power delivery. It's built to handle city commutes during the week and off-road trails on the weekend. The throttle response feels quick, and the bike delivers strong low-end torque, making it perfect for beginners and experienced riders alike. The lightweight frame keeps it easy to control, especially on rough terrain. Whether you're riding through gravel roads or tight urban streets, the TS 185 feels balanced and confident. Modern features with simple control. Suzuki has added modern touches without overcomplicating the bike. It now features LED lighting, a digital analog display, and improved suspension for a smoother ride. The seat is comfortable for longer trips, and the upright riding position gives you great visibility and control. Built for everyday adventure. What really makes the 2026 Suzuki TS 185 special is its versatility. It's not just a dirt bike. It's not just a street bike. It's a true dual-purpose machine built for riders who want freedom without limits. Final thoughts. The new TS 185 blends old-school reliability with modern upgrades. It's simple, powerful, and ready for adventure. If you're looking for a bike that's fun, affordable, and capable anywhere you ride, the 2026 Suzuki TS 185 might just be the perfect